Okay. I am very happy to see so many people here because what my function is going to be is to listen carefully to what's being discussed and then listen to your suggestions and your reactions to it. Because I am a representative of the people. I represent you. And I am very concerned about making sure that your concerns are publicly stated and that they are then considered. I mean, I'm not going to be here to take a position until I find out what your position is. But as was said, it's important that when you take a position, when you make up your mind whether you like or don't like, that you have the facts. And the facts are going to be shown here tonight. You can agree with them or disagree with them, but it's important that if you feel that this is not good, that it be based upon facts, not simply emotions. So we're here to listen. We're going to respond by giving ideas and concerns and see how those concerns are going to be addressed. And then the next stage will probably not be until the spring, when HPD and the Brooklyn Public Library and others will come up with a concrete plan. And hopefully it will include the concerns that you raise and how they're to be addressed, and the ideas that you propose and how they are to be addressed. And if that happens, then I think we'll have a lot better plan in effect than we would otherwise. So I want to listen, and I want to listen to you as well as the public library and HPD, and then together we can come to a conclusion as to how we need to proceed with this. So thank you, and everybody, a very happy Thanksgiving. We're facing very close to Thanksgiving, and I hope everyone and your families have a very happy and healthy and blessed Thanksgiving. Thank you.